am walking along the river. I'm looking at the water. The birds are singing in the trees. The wind is blowing softly. The ducks are swimming near me. The children are playing in the park. The dog is running along the path. The sun is shining brightly. The fish are jumping in the water. The people are sitting on the bench. The flowers are growing near the path. The butterflies are flying around me. The grass is moving gently. The man is fishing by the river. The woman is reading a book. The bridge is standing over the river. The water is moving under the bridge. The sunlight is shining through the trees. The dog is jumping near the water. In order to learn more interesting and simple lessons, please subscribe to my channel.